Good evening to you all. I hope all is well with you all. You already know what we finna do. We finna get into these messages and see what our Elohim wants us to know at this time here. We have the Two of Wands. What's somebody at the door with? Somebody at the door. Just ran across my mind was and the door just slammed. OMG. I just heard somebody go and open the door and close it. That y'all remember that video of that man? He was like, I was waiting on you at the door. So what y'all? Oh shoot. Uh-oh. So judgment is at the door. And then we have the Five of Pentacles here. What's going on? What's going on? We have announcement of decision here. Five of Pentacles. Judgment at the door. The Tower here. Unexpected. Let's see. Judgment at the door. The Five of Pentacles. Karma. Karma was waiting on somebody at the door. Maybe for some past actions here. Due to abundance. Maybe some thoughtless, careless things. Some sacrifices that was made here to get the victory here. Fast thinking here. Risk. Knight of Wands. Somebody took some sort of risk here. And karma was waiting at the door. We have the Queen of Wands. Okay, we have the Queen of Wands with the Five of Wands with the Two of Swords here. So somebody may not see this coming here. There could be some arguments or some chaos going on here. It could be chaotic. Somebody could have Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Aquarius, Scorpio, Taurus in their chart. Yeah, somebody worked hard. Whatever somebody was working hard on, they under judgment for that. And then we got the Four of Cups. They're going to be disappointed here. Yeah, because something is ending. Four of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, the World with the Seven of Swords here, with the Ace of Pentacles. This opportunity here. So somebody is going to be very disappointed. Somebody refused the Cup of the Divine here. We have the Queen of Pentacles. Somebody could also have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn in their chart here. This cycle is completing and ending, and karma is here. Judgment is here. Okay, for these lies, sneakiness, and underhandedness to gain these new opportunities and gifts here. Okay, somebody has some hidden intentions here. Yeah, whoever this is took some risk. Risky behavior. Risky behavior. Yeah. Judgment. Five of Pentacles, Nine of Swords. That's 14 swords. Somebody's in a panic and worried about this karma that's going to come in here for these risks that was taken. What just ran across my mind is whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the police. Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the police. Somebody could be a mother. Somebody could be pregnant. As well, we have the Empress here. Or somebody had a plan to cause some chaos and some fighting and, you know, competition against the Empress here. Or this is what this person was doing, causing a whole lot of chaos with whatever plans they had. Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the police. Whoop, whoop. Yeah, somebody backstabbed and betrayed a King of Swords here. Okay, could have been with their friends. Either this person did this with their friends or with this King of Swords friends here. But yeah, it's a lot of chaos and conflict and arguments between friends. Backstabbing, betrayal, completely ruined. Yeah, somebody backstabbed and betrayed this man here. His complete happiness here. His happiness, his new passionate beginnings. From being renewed. Somebody got in the way of that or something. Yep, we got the magician here. Somebody was being manipulative to get this Four of Wands, to get this commitment here, this home. Somebody had a stronghold, strongly attacking somebody. Look, and then the devil right after that, they had this plan. Somebody has Leo, Capricorn, Aries, double confirmation of an Aries, times 4 the confirmation of a Leo. Yep, a whole lot of attacking here. Demonic. Somebody did something manipulative to get a home. Somebody is swimming away from this negativity here and these attacks and this demonic behavior and these plans that someone had here. Yeah, somebody did something to get a home and a commitment. Somebody did some shit. Somebody put in some work here. But we got the world here. Something is coming to an end here. Somebody was trying to hold on tight though. For this ending not to come. But it's coming. Yeah, somebody's going to be heartbroken. Trauma, loss. Somebody didn't see this shit coming. That's why, listen, somebody go up. I was waiting on you at the door. I'm telling y'all, that's the energy that I got from up off of this reading here. I don't know what somebody did with this manipulation and whatnot, but whatever it is, somebody done messed up. Somebody that messed up, and there's gonna be some suffering going on here. Yeah, and somebody tried to do this to get a victory here, but they got an empty victory here. This person was cold-hearted. And whatever they did, this person could have been a bitch. And now this bitch disappointed as fuck. And heartbroke, toe the hell up. Double the heartbreak. This gonna hit somebody hard. With this Three of Swords coming out again. Okay, somebody could even be a high priestess here. Okay, that's under judgment too as well here because they was attacking somebody's new passionate beginning here. A hierophant, a high priestess could have been employed to sacrifice somebody, or a high priestess did this, and this is happening to a high priestess here, or one was employed. Somebody could have employed, okay, this could be happening to somebody, right? But somebody could have also employed a high priestess to help them with this magician and manipulation. And they ass is under judgment too. So this is separate. So there's two people under judgment for them attacks here. Yep, and this is the truth here. Ace of Swords. And then we have the King of Pentacles here. So maybe a King of Pentacles may speak the truth, or the King of Pentacles then got some truth and clarity. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn male, or somebody who has that highly aspected in their chart. They got some type of clarity or something like that. Ace of Swords. This person could be making some type of offer, or running towards someone here. Or this person got some type of message here. Message about what confusion was going on, and bringing some light towards something about some lies. Ooh, yep, judgment here. And this judgment is going to bring complete happiness to someone else here. This knowledge is going to bring complete happiness to another, healing to another here. Somebody's going to learn something about something. Yep. Something is going to be renewed for somebody. We have the Star, and then we have the Justice. Justice is coming in here. Yep, Justice is coming in. Hold on, y'all. Gotta see. Justice and apology here. Page of Cups. Okay, a King of Swords could be apologizing here. Yep, an apology to a Queen of Cups here. Somebody plans on doing this here. Yep, we got a King of Cups. So a King of Cups, somebody got love for you. Okay, whether this could be a lover or this could be somebody that just knows some shit. Somebody got love for you. Okay, and they plan to apologize here. Yeah, maybe for this chaos and things of that nature that was going on here. Somebody that they partnered with here. Okay, somebody could definitely be pregnant or have a kid. That's why they came out as the Empress. That's the only reason why. Okay, somebody could be a Queen of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius here. Or Libra or Taurus with this Empress card coming out here. But so yeah, some type of argument, chaos, and something like that with something that somebody that they was partnered up with. Yeah, somebody that they built with, had a home with, shared finances with here. We got disappointment. Somebody disappointed in this person. Yeah, somebody really disappointed in this person. This is bad. What the hell? Knight of Wands in reverse. Somebody has no desire for this individual here. No desire, no sex. Somebody sees somebody's hidden intentions here. We have the Queen of Pentacles here. Somebody could have been married to someone. Queen of Pentacles, Eight of Swords. Somebody is something going on mentally with somebody here. Somebody disappointed and don't want to take the risk with this individual anymore. Yep, Two of Pentacles. Somebody could have been once tied up with this individual. This is a karmic here. But then we have the Death here. This is ending with the Devil. The Most High laughing here. Yahweh Elohim Yahshua. We have that Hierophant here. And then we have laughing. Somebody could have been in a higher form of commitment with a devil here, with a demon. But this here is ending here. This is somebody's karmic. They did something. And you're about to know about it here. You're finna get some justice. So we're going to pull a grateful heart message because it's always something to be grateful. Shoot, especially to get some justice. But karma waiting on somebody at the door. At the door. Can we get a grateful heart message, please? I was waiting on you at the door, honey. We have feeling gratitude and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it. For I know the plans I have for you, declares Yahweh, plans for welfare and not for evil, to give you a future and a hope. Okay, so something may restore someone's faith here. Okay, or somebody has faith and hope. Okay, but this, whatever is occurring or whatever had to occur, it could have seemed chaotic here to you here, but this was a plan. Okay, the Most High knows the plans that he has for you, and his plans for welfare and not for evil. Cast your burden onto Yahweh and he will sustain you. He will never permit the righteous to be moved. Let us come to Yahweh with thanksgiving and let us sing psalms of praise to him. Happy is the person who not only sings but feels Yahweh's eye is on the sparrow, and he knows he watches over me. So this is beautiful. Okay, seeing that positive and the negative here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I hope you all got a message from this read that'll help you along your journey. Know that Yahweh loves you, and I'll see you all later. Peace.